Welcome to Fedica, the all-in-one AI-powered social media management platform designed for marketers, creators, and business owners. With Fedica, you get an unparalleled combination of publishing, analytics, listening, and follower analysis tools in one place. So say goodbye to paying for multiple disconnected tools because Fedica brings everything together seamlessly. For over a decade, we've been improving our AI, enjoyed by more than 2 million people, providing you with exclusive insights you can't get anywhere else. Seamlessly integrated, make informed decisions at every step without any more guesswork. Understand your followers' trends, activity, sentiment, and know exactly what keeps specific groups of people engaged regardless of time zones. Take advantage of advanced publishing tactics like media tagging, scheduling spreadable threads, polls, reposts, replies, and even creating content queues with different schedules for segmented analytics. Identify the accounts behind your best and worst posts, understand their demographics like occupation and location, and even filter your followers to find different personas for targeted offerings and hyper-relevant ads. Fedica empowers you to expand your reach, analyze competitors, and easily measure campaign success. Our exclusive demographic insights lets you analyze accounts, hashtags, keywords, compare followers, set up brand alerts, and even find leads. We're constantly innovating, leading the way by pioneering features like being the first platform to support the Fediverse, offering analytics for Mastodon, publishing for Blue Sky, and even being the first platform to schedule threads. So no more fragmented solutions. Fedica is the all-in-one social media powerhouse for your business now and in the future. With our unique solutions, you'll always find a path forward no matter how your strategy evolves. Join millions who unleash the power of AI-driven digital marketing tools. Sign up now and achieve the impossible with Fedica.